do we all know what is ration? Do we consume ration? Do we buy groceries? How often do you buy groceries? Monthly, regularly, right? So we need groceries to sustain ourselves. Our mothers make food that is nutrition for us, nutritional for us. It meets our nutritional values so that we are healthy, so that we're coming to school every day, we are studying and we are paying attention. Hello. So today's topic is food security. So we feel secure in our houses. Why? Because we are safe. Our nutritional needs are getting met. Similarly, as a country, we have to be secure in how we uh, purchase food or what we eat, what we are consuming, right? So there are dimensions. Food security basically is more than 2 meals a day. 2 meals a day are not enough. We have to meet our food requirements. So there are dimensions. Three dimensions of food securities are availability. Availability क्या होती है? कोई मुझे बता सकता है? अवेलेबिलिटी इज व्हेन फूड इज अवेलेबल टू अस. मतलब फूड हमारे किसान उगा रहे हैं, हमें दिख रहा है कि देयर इज plenty of food that is consumed, that is ready for consumption. Next comes accessibility. Now food is available, we know that food है, पर क्या वो हम तक पहुंच सकता है? क्या हम उस तक पहुंच सकते हैं? इज इट एक्सेसिबल टू अस? कोविड के टाइम पे काफी सारे लोगों को राशन नहीं मिल रहा था, सो फूड सिक्योरिटी वाज नॉट देयर. दैट मींस फूड वाज देयर इन द मार्केट, मे बी इट वाज देयर, बट इट वाज नॉट एक्सेसिबल टू अस. नेक्स्ट कम्स affordability. Now if food is accessible to us, कल हम जाते हैं राशन शॉप में, बोलते हैं मुझे 1 किलो चावल चाहिए, बट चावल की शॉर्टेज से, when was this happening? Bengal famine, which we have read about in our history class. So अगर हमसे चावल नहीं मिल रहे हैं, we are not able to buy it, that means it is still not accessible to us, it is not affordable to us. So accessibility, availability, accessibility and affordability are dimensions of food security, and we are a food secure nation only if we are getting food, we are able to access food and afford food. So food security helps us meet all our requirements, and the government of India is responsible to ensure that our country has food security. The Food Corporation of India has buffer stock. So हमारे कंट्री में, आवर कंट्री इज नोन एज एन एग्रीकल्चर लैंड, एंड एग्रीकल्चर लैंड में हमारी कंट्री में बहुत अलग अलग जगहों पे, अलग अलग स्टेट्स में बहुत सारे डिफरेंट तरीके के क्रॉप्स और पल्सेस ग्रो होते हैं. सो व्हेन देयर इज एक्सेस क्रॉप, आवर गवर्नमेंट बाइज द क्रॉप फ्रॉम द फार्मर्स and it creates a buffer stock. Now this buffer stock is released into ration shops through public distribution system. जब हमारी गवर्नमेंट बफर स्टॉक खरीद लेती है तो वो रिलीज करती है पब्लिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सिस्टम से राशन शॉप्स में. जो हमारे पेरेंट्स खरीदते हैं, जो हम अपने पेरेंट्स को अकम्पनी करते हैं खरीदते वक्त, है ना. एंड these shops are only accessible अगर आपके पास एक राशन कार्ड हो. Today in our country there are 4.6 lakhs of ration shops that are running via public distribution system through our government, जो हमें मार्केट प्राइस से कम में खाना देती है. So today we have learned about the three dimensions of food security, Food Corporation of India, buffer stock and distribution system. Your homework is to write down how much you are spending and your own grocery list. To go home, ask your parents what is your weekly grocery list like, and make a grocery list in your notebook and bring it on Monday. Your notebooks will be checked.